What's up and welcome to my channel. If you're oldie but a goodie, welcome back. If you're new here, hi, ikamala sinethembathabeka. Today guys, we trying out a straight wig on. You guys know me, I'm always a curly wig girl. That's my only wig. Okay, I do have another straight one, but it's balding and it's a headband wig basically, so I've never laid straight hair. So without any rambling, let's get into it. Yes, I am wasting grooming long on the salt, like literally. Okay guys, I managed to do like a side part because there's like a bit of balding fully wig, so I'm just trying to like cover that up. So nah, I don't know how it is, but now I'm just gonna straighten it and make sure that it's skin tone. This is how the whole look turned out. I'm not a fan of these lashes, but this is how the hair looks. I don't know. I don't have much details about the hair. It's my sister's hair. It's from Aliexpress. I don't know which store got that. This is the final look. I'm not sure about the makeup. Mhlambe is our marinator. But somebody who's still a beginner in laying hair, styling hair, like frontals and stuff like that, I feel like it's not too bad. I'm still getting there. I'm still, you know, this is my first time attempting a side part. I can't do it on my curly wig because I find it very challenging. But thank you for coming this far. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it. Please share, comment, and subscribe. Catch you on the next video. Thank you. Bye.